Greetings, my name is Carlos Suarez, and with my friend Jose Turriza, we're going to talk about Rosalind Clark.
Who was Rosalind Franklin? Rosalind Elsie Franklin was an English chemist and X-ray crystallographer whose work was central to the understanding of the molecular structure of DNA, RNA, viruses, coal, and graphite. Although her work on coal and viruses were appreciated in her lifetime, her contributions to the discovery of the structure of DNA were largely recognized posthumously. Born on July 25, 1920 in Notting Hill, London, and died the 16th of April 1958 at the age of 37, also in London. She came from a very wealthy family of Jews. She did not get married, neither of her children. Her studies. Franklin was educated at Northland Place, a private day school in West London. Then she went to Lindores School for Young Ladies, a boarding school in Sussex, and St. Paul's Girls' School in London. She then studied natural sciences at Newnham College, Cambridge, from which she graduated in 1941. Earning a research fellowship, she joined the University of Cambridge Physical Chemistry Laboratory under Ronald George Rayford Norrish, who disappointed her for his lack of enthusiasm. The British Coal Utilisation Research Association, or VCURA, offered her a research position in 1942 and started her work on coals. This helped her earn a PhD in 1945. She went to Paris in 1947 as a chercheur, a postdoctoral researcher under Jacques Mérina, at the Laboratoire Central des Services Chimiques de l'État, where she became an accomplished X-ray crystallographer.
Study and Discovery. In 1951, Rosalind Franklin joined the Biophysical Laboratory at King's College in London. She worked with Jacques Mérine in Paris to study the X-ray diffraction technology, also to study the DNA patterns. Between 1953 and 1958, she worked with the crystallography laboratory at Birkbeck College in London. Franklin discovered that the density of the DNA and established that the DNA has a double helix, the one as we know nowadays. And she also made a very clear X ray representation or image of the DNA pattern. The famous image is called Photo 51 or Photograph 51. Death and influence. Rosalind Franklin died at the age of 37 in 1958 after being diagnosed in 1956 with ovarian cancer. Franklin's discovery changed the way scientists study and understand life and genetic material. She was mentioned in different books. For example, Rosalind Franklin, The Dark Lady of the DNA. She also published 17 papers about scientific research. There's also a play called Photograph 51 and a movie Photograph 51 where Nicole Kidman portrays the chemist. Thank you very much.